Welcome back to Spark Studios, where my goal is to help spark your ideas. In this playlist, my goal is to create content that serves as micro-learning opportunities of high-yield concepts related to everything digital marketing. This is the first video of the playlist, and its purpose is to help you break down concepts in logical, sequential steps related to concepts governing the internet. If you have any motivation to build anything online, it will be impacted somehow by the concepts related to this playlist. In this short presentation, I'm going to give you a basic introduction into content marketing and why it's so important in 2025 and beyond. I will provide for you statistics and important references that change the way I view this topic, and my goal is for it to do the same for you. Loosely defined, content marketing is a strategic approach to crafting content throughout your mediums of choice. The whole goal is to create valuable content that aligns with the audience it was designed to attract and retain. If you're anyone who's looking to build online, which if you haven't noticed is only a continuing trend, you have to understand the basics to all of this. But why is this even important? Some of the stats shocked me after reading some of the data, and it changed my mind and outlook and how I viewed content as a whole. These data points were discussed by Reliable Soft's digital marketing course, and I highly suggest you check out their content or blogs to dive deeper into the topics discussed. Specifically, the following 5 data points have changed the way I thought about content marketing as a whole. Recent data has revealed 84% of people expect brands to produce content that entertains, provides solutions, and creates great experiences overall. Even more telling, 9 out of 10 consumers are prepared to reward brands for their authenticity, and 7 out of 10 consumers prefer learning about products and services through content rather than traditional advertisements. Content marketing in general costs 62% less than traditional marketing, but it also generates 3 times more leads per dollar spent. I knew everything has trended more towards an online environment, but when you view these statistics, the importance to learn these skills and relate them actually cements itself. This is a rapidly changing online environment, and skills are necessary to be developed by everybody. With whatever you're building, it's important to take a strategic approach to your content. Please understand making random content is not the same as content marketing. It's important to view whatever venture you're setting out to accomplish in a strategic approach that you're willing to plan, execute, and measure along your journey. Successful businesses ensure the following from their content strategies. They have clear goals, defined target audiences, systematic topic research and optimized keywords, comprehensive content creation, consistent promotion across multiple channels and platforms, and regular performance analysis and overall optimization. This all might sound overwhelming at first, but it truly does paint crafting content in a strategic light. The question isn't whether you need content marketing, but if you make content online, you are definitely governed by the rules of all of this. The data is very clear, and your mindset should shift to creating content that is helpful, valuable, and relatable to your ideal audience. I thank you for watching Spark Studios, where my goal is to help spark your ideas. Please subscribe for more thought leadership content like this.